channel, I'm Rachel. So, like the rest of the world right now, I am obsessed with Animal Crossing. So I thought it would be super fun if I turned myself into my character from Animal Crossing today. So I'm gonna be doing my character from like the Pocket Camp app instead of like the New Horizon game because I literally own a cot and a flamingo. Like there's not much I can really recreate there. But I've been playing the app for like over a year, so I've gathered some things. So she doesn't like necessarily wear makeup, but she also looks like a child. So I'm gonna give myself like a youthful, like glowy, blushy kind of situation. Okay, so I'm just using like the Wet n Wild Photo Finish foundation on my face. So now I'm just gonna set it real quick, just with the the Too Faced Peach powder stuff. So she doesn't like really have eyebrows because she has bangs, but I don't have bangs. So I'm just gonna give myself like a super like natural brow and hope that's what's hiding underneath because I can't just leave them like this. Okay, that is good enough for me. I'm just gonna go through them with some brow gel. It like somehow makes them look a little more natural. So her face is like super round, so I'm not really gonna like contour too much, but I'm gonna just bronze like a tiny bit. So I, you know, actually have a face, but I'm gonna like really get the outsides to really just like emphasize the shape of round. And then I feel like she's like, they're super just like blushy and like young looking. So I'm gonna go in with this little elf. I don't know what 4 is called. Quad. And just like, I'm just like not gonna be shy about it. Yeah, because I know I definitely put a lot of blush on my New Horizon character. And that nose to be a true e-girl. And then just pat that out a little bit. Okay, and then she's like not really wearing blush, but just to like give us like those high points, I got like the lightest, like least pigmented highlighter I have, which is the Kylie one in Cotton Candy Cream. I have another one by her that's like super pigmented, but this one just isn't that. I'm also gonna go in with Smarty Pants around my eyes just to make it look like I have eyes. Okay, and then she has like these little like ticks around her eye that could either be lashes or mascara. To kind of recreate it, I'm just gonna act like it's eyeliner and I'm just gonna do a little wing, like literally so tiny. Okay, and then I have eyelash extensions, so I can't really put on lashes, so I'm just gonna brush through them. And also put just a little bit on of mascara on the bottom. So now, the nose. The iconic little Animal Crossing nose, that little triangle. We're going to do that. Okay, so taking the James Charles palette. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Rusted and You're Kidding Me like together because it's like an orangey red, but more towards red. So I'm gonna take this tiny little angled brush. So it's going to end about here. And I want it to start about here. Maybe? I feel like I a little bit look like a scarecrow. And I'm just gonna go over the sides of my nose. This to kind of just like try to make it look like I don't have sides of my nose. Oh, it's also crooked. Oh, my nose feels so weird when I touch there. Not on this side, but on this side it's like so weird. I hate it. I think that's kind of cute. TBH. And last thing, I would just do a little bit of lip gloss, but my lips are really dry right now, so they look gross. So I'm gonna put a little bit of color on them, and then a little bit of lipstick or lip gloss, which the only one I could find is a plumping one, so we'll see. And I feel like that's a little too dark, so we're just gonna find a random in our room and kiss it a ton. And then we're perfect. Okay, so moving on to hair. She has little like pigtails, so we're gonna do that. I don't have bangs. I wasn't about to order clip-on bangs. Her hair is also pink, which I would have dyed my hair pink, but my roots are too bad right now, so like it wouldn't have looked good. There is one. I do feel like I kind of just look like a scarecrow. I know this definitely isn't like parted correctly in the back, but I want to see some back of you. So here we are. Here's the face. So now we just have the outfit to do. And I discovered when trying to find an outfit in the game that like I also had, I have a lot of them. So we're just gonna try them all on. We're just gonna try them all on and then pick a favorite. And then that will be my Animal Crossing outfit.